What is that to fall?
You were recruited in 2022.
2021.
21. So you will still have time to obtain the
Lots of
training course. You will still have time to obtain the training course. In the event the writ petition goes in your favor, you will still have time to obtain the training.
But I tell you, losses here. The difficulty will be two or three. First of all, most of them probably have the very short span of service.
That is something else.
How many days, Lord, sir?
That is something else. I see the person who has affirmed is only 34 years of age. Others, I do not know. Right? So let them file something. Please come.
Your losses, I think your losses
The
decide on the basis of Mary here.
Petitioners are in service primary school teachers. They intend to teachers recruited in the year 2022 in terms of the recruitment notice of the year 2009, isn't it?
2009.
Stop. They intend to obtain the DLED training. Stop. Paragraph. The council.
As your legislate all.
The respondent authorities
Lots.
have not permitted the petitioners to obtain the training. Since the petitioners already had the training of B.Ed. Stop. 5th July 2024 is the impugned communication in the instant case where the training of untrained primary teachers have been allowed, only excluding the teachers having B.Ed course. Stop. Next. The petitioners are apprehensive that the B.Ed degree have been held to be not appropriate for imparting education in the primary schools. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the council submits upon instruction that the petitioners will be protected by the direction passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the matter of Devesh Sharma versus Union of Indian and others in CA number 5068/2023, followed by the order passed in the miscellaneous application, followed by the order dated 8th April 2024, passed in the miscellaneous application being diary number 4303/2024, passed in connection with the aforesaid civil appeal. Stop. Next. On a perusal of the judgment of Devesh Sharma within bracket Supra, it appears that the same has been passed in respect of the notification of NCTE dated 28th of June 2018. Stop. The petitioners obtained their degree prior to the aforesaid notification, and they participated in the recruitment process when the aforesaid notification was not in existence. Stop paragraph. Whether the petitioners require a further training, whether the petitioners are required to undergo further training has to be decided. Stop paragraph. The council is directed to
Council and commissioner also not support. File a report.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে the commissioner of school education is directed to take a call as to whether the candidates as to whether the in-service teachers who have obtained B.Ed degree will be required to undergo the 2-year DLED course. Stop. Let a report by the commissioner be prepared and filed by 9th of August. List on 13th.
Malad, only one thing, Malad, kindly record it. Malad, if we succeed, Malad, there will be a lateral admission in the course.
It goes without saying that if in the event the petitioners succeed in the writ petition, then they should be permitted to undergo the training 2-year DLED training course.
It will appear as motion, Your Lordship. It will appear.
Yes, motion.
I am for the board, Lordship.